Hi there! In this video, I'll be sharing 10 tips on how to use Venmo for making money online. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money easily. With its convenience and accessibility, Venmo has become a popular tool for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to make some extra cash. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Create a Venmo account. The first step is to create a Venmo account. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up using your email address or Facebook account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card to transfer funds. To start using Venmo, the first step is to create an account. You can easily download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up using your email address or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card to transfer funds. To link a bank account, you'll need to provide your account number and routing number. Venmo will verify your bank account by depositing a small amount of money into your account, which you'll need to confirm. Alternatively, you can link a debit card, which will allow you to transfer funds instantly, but you'll be charged a 1% fee for each transaction. Once you've linked your bank account or debit card, you can start sending and receiving payments on Venmo. Tip 2. Set up a profile. Make sure to set up a complete profile with your name, photo, and bio. This will help build trust with your clients and make you look more professional. When using Venmo for making money online, it's important to set up a complete profile. This includes adding your name, photo, and a short bio about yourself. A complete profile will make you look more professional and trustworthy to potential clients or customers. Make sure to use a clear and professional photo that represents your brand or business. Additionally, adding a bio can help potential clients understand what services you offer and why they should choose you over others. By having a complete profile, you are more likely to attract clients and build a successful business on Venmo. Tip 3. Use Venmo for invoicing. Venmo has a feature called Request Money that allows you to create invoices for your clients. This is a convenient way to bill for your services and keep track of payments. Venmo's Request Money feature allows you to create invoices for your clients, which is a convenient way to bill for your services and keep track of payments. To use this feature, simply open the Venmo app and tap on the Request button at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can enter the amount you're requesting, add a note, and choose the recipient. You can also add an itemized list of the services you're billing for. Once you send the invoice, your client will receive a notification and can pay directly through the app. This feature is particularly useful for freelancers or small business owners who need to bill clients regularly. Tip 4. Set payment reminders. If you have clients who are forgetful about paying on time, you can set payment reminders on Venmo. This will send a notification to your client to remind them to pay. Setting up payment reminders on Venmo can be a helpful way to ensure that you receive payments on time. To set up a payment reminder, you can go to the transaction in question and tap on the Remind button. From there, you can choose how often you want to send reminders, such as every day or every week, and customize the message that your client will receive. This is a useful feature if you have recurring clients or if you're worried about payments being forgotten or delayed. By setting up payment reminders, you can reduce the chances of late payments and improve your cash flow. Tip 5. Charge fees for services. If you're providing a service, such as consulting or coaching, you can charge a fee through Venmo. Just make sure to include any fees for Venmo transactions in your pricing. The tip "charge fees for services" refers to the ability to charge your clients for the services you provide through Venmo. This feature is useful if you're offering services such as consulting or coaching, and you want to receive payment directly through Venmo. When setting your prices, make sure to include any fees associated with using Venmo to receive payments, as Venmo charges a small fee for processing transactions. You can easily calculate the fee using Venmo's fee calculator and adjust your pricing accordingly. Once you've agreed on a price with your client, you can request payment through Venmo, and they can easily pay you using their Venmo account. Tip 6. Use Venmo for online sales. If you're selling products online, you can use Venmo to accept payments. Just make sure to include a clear payment link or instructions on your website or social media. Venmo is a convenient way to accept payments for online sales. Here are some tips on how to use Venmo for online sales. 1. Create a clear payment link or instructions. Make sure to include a clear payment link or instructions on your website or social media pages so that customers know how to pay you through Venmo. 2. Set up a business profile. Venmo has a separate profile type for businesses, which allows you to add a business name, logo, and description. This will help your customers easily identify your business and build trust. 3. Consider offering discounts for Venmo payments. To incentivize customers to use Venmo, consider offering discounts or promotions for customers who choose to pay through the app. 4. Use the notes section. When customers pay you through Venmo, make sure they include a note with their order details. This will help you keep track of payments and ensure that you're fulfilling the correct order. 5. Be aware of Venmo's policies. Venmo has strict policies around the use of their app for commercial transactions. Make sure to read and understand their policies to avoid any issues or account restrictions. Tip 7. Offer promotions. To incentivize clients to use Venmo, you can offer promotions such as discounts or freebies for paying through the app. Tip 8. Be transparent. When using Venmo for business transactions, it's important to be transparent about any fees or charges involved. This will help build trust with your clients. Tip 9. Keep records. Make sure to keep records of all your Venmo transactions for accounting and tax purposes. Venmo has a transaction history feature that you can use to keep track of payments. Tip 10. Set payment policies. Finally, it's important to set payment policies for your clients when using Venmo. This can include payment deadlines, late fees, and any other terms and conditions you want to include. And there you have it. Those are 10 tips on how to use Venmo for making money online. By using Venmo, you can make payments and receive payments quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.